Kapal Api signature Black Coffee. It's a small one, why not? Hello. How are you today?
I'm fine.
You're good.
Is this buy coffee?
Is this a new one?
Yeah.
How new? Really new or only new?
25.
No, but I mean how new? This is a new model. I mean the new product.
Yeah. Because with gula aren.
Gula aren. Harganya berapa?
5.000.
5,000. That's a bargain. Okay? Ayo. On the Osborne. Mantap. You like all the Osborne?
Apa?
You like all the Osborne? Okay, ini.
Thank you.
Makasih banyak. Maybe can you do me a? Do you have a cold one? Or is it for free even if I make this one?
If you want buy one packet.
No. Then one big is okay. Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Can you do me a favor? Bisa buka? Can you open? Makasih banyak. Sampai jumpa. Dadah. I don't need it. Hello. See you. Instant pudding. Is it for free? Okay. Sample. Okay. But I don't have a hand anymore for eating. If you feed me, I take it.
Nih kukunya hilang.
Buy one get one. Just add the hot water.
Okay. I like the sample. It's really good.
Ayo sini.
Strawberry taste. Really good. Thank you so much. Yeah, really good.
You can take it.
Maybe I can eat it here. Kamu YouTuber? Are you a YouTuber? No. How do you like this one? You have tried already? Sudah coba?
Yes.
Good, right? Yeah, I will finish it here. Good.
You want it? Buy one get one.
And I don't have so many hands, you know. Maybe when I come back before I go home. But the taste is really good.
Formula ya pasti gitu boleh dibawa aja. Ini silakan satu lagi ya. Pokoknya lain kalian atau belum memakai formula sebelumnya ya pasti gini formula.
Carlos approves. It's good. It's really delicious. Thanks for the sample. I hope you sell many of them. Yeah. See you later. No, I'm not kidding. It's really good. I give this pudding an 8 definitely.
Oke, baik. Di sini kita punya area fashion hanya dengan membeli.
There's a bit alcohol taste inside. I don't know how to describe it. After swallowing, you have a little bit alcohol taste. I mean, something similar from the taste. I mean, there's no alcohol inside, but I just wanted to describe the taste. There's a countdown, 33 minutes. What is this?
Saya lama banget hanya dengan konsep wafer table di Instagram. Kalian bisa bikin wafer di sini.
Bapak.
2 saja.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Kalian bisa bikin wafer di sini sambil ngemil, sambil jalan-jalan.
Sorry.
Tangan kiri di belakang.
But they work here, right? Why they do it?
Luar biasa